Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Q1 of the weekly contest for 50D3 transform array to all equal elements. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this one. So the key thing about this one for me is just noticing that you are only having one and -1, you can only multiply or flip, if you will, adjacent ones, right? And as a result of that, everything is forced. There's no decision. And yeah, and what I mean by that, right? What I mean by that is that let's say you have one, -1, one, -1, and let's say you want to convert them all to ones. Well, -1s even. Well, if the first one is 1 and you want to convert it to a 1, it's already done. It's not even that you don't want to, you can't, right? Because if you flip this, well, you have to flip it back. So then now going from left to right, and then you go here, and well, now we have to flip this because we already say that we cannot flip on the left. So then you could even think about it as subtract or removing it. So then now you have a -1, you have to flip this, because if you don't flip this, this is going to be -1 and you'll be not good forever. And then now to deal with the part where they all have to be the same, well, they can only be the same in two ways, which is 1 or -1. So basically the way that I did it is I have two possibilities, P for possible target. I target either 1 or -1 and make a copy because I manipulate the input, which led to a very silly mistake, by the way, if you watch the live portion. But that's the general idea, right? Is that I look at it one number at a time. I'm forced to flip. If I'm forced to flip this, I flip this, and of course the next one, because we're forced to do that as well. Use one operations. And then the last element, you have to double check, because if the last element is not good, then, well, you can't flip the last element by itself, so you're no good. And then just force. Otherwise, you want to see how many operations you took, and that it is less than or equal to k. And that is it. That's all I have for this one. This is going to be linear time, right? This is a linear function. We do it twice. Technically, linear space, because of the way we did this, though. You could be a little bit better about it and do it in all of one space. If you want to optimize for that, play around with that. But that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and you can watch me solve it live during the contest now. I always have to change the layout back. Alright. Maybe I should have done it before. Alright, let's go. All equal elements. K times multiplied by -1. They only, okay, so you could do K times, you could swap two of them. To be the same, right? Alright, well, I mean, it's either -1 or +1 to change all of them. So then, Alright, well, when would you choose? Oh, it's I and I +1. Whoops, sorry, I misread this. Jeez. I was like, you choose any two i's. That doesn't, okay. I was like, I don't get how this is hard, but okay. Yeah, okay, I mean, it's forced, right? So here, for C in nums, or for X in nums, right? If, right, so current is equal to 1. If X times current is not equal to target, then we flip, right? So we, ops is equal to 0. So then now we flip. So current -1. No, but you only flip one number, right? Not the entire subset. So okay. I feel like I'm trying to be too clever. So let's try again for I in range of n. Right, and then now if num sub I is equal to or not equal to target, then num sub I we oops. We flip, and num sub I +1 we also flip, and then ops increment by 1, and then now num sub I should be target, but here we want to do I minus 1, and then if num sub the last one is not equal to target, then we can flip, so we return false. Also return false if ops is less than or equal to k, right? So then now we just return p of either 1 or p of -1, right? True false. Alright, YOLO submit. Maybe I should have tested a little bit more. Why is this wrong? We have 4. The end, I put false, but it should be true. Why? 1, -1, 2, 3. So that's not it. So 1, 2. Let's see. Okay, so this is right, but then now I guess ops is high. It's 5. This is also 5. Is that true? So, whoops. Okay. I put false, but it's true. Why is it true? Does it wrap around or something? Did I miss something up? I don't get it. Okay, so, this is so dumb. I mean me. Alright, so here you go -1, 1, then -1, -1. That's 2 operations. And then 3, 4. That's 4, right? Why is that 5? Is that... Am I off by 1 somewhere? How can I be off by 1 somewhere? Alright, that's... why is this... How am I satisfied? Get out of here. I'm trying to submit and he's saying you, and is it blocking my thing, man? Happy I'm not giving you a unhappy face. Okay, so go to 1, so that's 1. 2, so that's all 1. Okay. 3, so this is 5, 6. I don't get it. Am I misunderstanding this? Do I have a typo? I'm so confused on a Q1. I mean, this looks right, right? Alright, well, let's print nums, print everything. Right, it's okay. That looks right. That looks right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Huh? Okay, so I mean, I guess that's right. Is this wrong? 0. What was the input again? This is the input, so maybe that's wrong. Oh, I am dumb. I am dumb. Okay, I see. Wow, I am dumb. Ooh, what happened? Did I reset by accident? What is going on? I don't know what happened here. I see what's going on though, so I think we're good. Maybe we're good if the if Leetcode stops being dumb. But yeah, okay, fine. That's what happens when you're dumb, like me. Because we use the same thing, so that's why. Okay. That's actually pretty bad. And now I don't even have the submission thing anymore. Can I just use this one? Okay. Actually, that's kind of nice. I know I like that they changed it, even though I have to figure out ridiculous ways to change it. All right, that was just pretty dumb. All right. Whoopsie daisies. So I'm pretty behind now, but that's okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest, this video, these problems, everything in between. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later. Take care. Bye bye.